Great news! I received 3 of my favorite tennis legend Funko Pops that just came out, and I just received Roger Federer, Rafa Nadal, and John McEnroe, and there are some other tennis players, and I will put a link to not only these, but to the other tennis players as well. Been a fan my whole life, always been a Roger Federer fan, but it's been great to see Rafa Nadal, amazing tennis player, as you know, and John McEnroe. Be curious, who is your favorite professional tennis player? So Funko Pops definitely has an amazing collection to choose from, and these will be a great addition to the ones that I have. Also behind me on my other desk, which is where I do my sales during the day, I've got many others there as well. So these are great. The biggest frustration with Funko Pops, by the way, if you accidentally hit your desk, they fall over, and they've even fallen over when I do some of my videos. But today, just wanted you to know that they're available out there, and we're gonna do the open boxing on each one so you can see them. So let's go ahead and get started. Roger Federer really has a big meaning to me. Not only was he my favorite player, but my very good friend Chris, 1 year ago, just about now, passed away. He fought a battle of illness, and he was a big Roger Federer fan, and I think he would have loved this. Roger, if you by chance are seeing this video, you know, you're a legend. I've loved what you've done, and thank you so much. You made a big impact in my friend's life. But there you go. This is Roger Federer. I mean, look at that. The detail on this is awesome. Fantastic. Look at that. Let's see how it stands now, because some of these, oh, that stands very well. Some of the Funko Pops, unfortunately, they don't stand as well as others, but Roger stands very well. I love it. Got the Wilson tennis racket, got his headband, perfect. So that is Roger Federer. Next up, Rafa Nadal. Now, Roger and Rafa have had quite a duo over the years, and it's amazing. And Rafa Nadal, obviously the king of clay courts. Rafa, congrats on all your amazing success. You know, it's just been amazing what you've been able to accomplish over the years. And, you know, it's sad to see no tennis this year, but there was very little, or last year I should say. Maybe this year there'll be more. And so let's see, that is Rafa Nadal. Look at that, got that yellow racket, the Babolat racket, and I love it. So there they go. They're gonna have to, let's see how that stands. Doing all right. So that's an amazing duo right there. They've had some incredible matches. And of course, John McEnroe. And John McEnroe is well known. You know, he was a amazing lefty, and he had many of his outbursts on his matches. And so he was definitely been entertaining, and he's obviously been very active in the tennis world. You know, he's a commentary with his brother, and I got to meet John at the US Open, and I got to take a photo with him, so that was kind of cool. So let's take a look at John McEnroe. That is awesome. It got the total 70s look with the hair. Fantastic. I mean, how awesome is that? The wooden tennis racket. I love it. Another time I had a memory of John. When I used to live in Delray Beach, Florida, they had the tennis tournament, and John came out, and I think I have that video, and I'll put a link to it. But he was playing tennis on the street on Atlantic Avenue, so that was great. So let me show you again all these real close up. Let's see how John, see, this is the problem. Oh man, that's gonna be a problem. John McEnroe doesn't stand as well. I don't understand why. Oh wait, maybe if I'm gonna have to work on him, or I'm gonna have to tape him down, but that is not good. That's the problem. So, but just so you know, if you order John McEnroe, he's not gonna stand as well as Roger Federer and Rafa Nadal. So there you go. Look at those guys. Fantastic. I mean, awesome. I love it. So there you go. Check them out today. What a disappointment that John McEnroe does not stand well. but I'll have to figure something out. I could probably have it lean against something, or yeah, that's really disappointing. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for joining me. I love it. Very excited that I now have 3 legends, and these are fantastic. Just it's so disappointing. I may actually just send it back, because there's no reason why these shouldn't stand up. Very, very disappointing. So, all right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and I hope you're enjoying your Funko Pop collection as well. Take care.